make sure you order clean the tools and wash your hands. So let's get started now. I'm gonna put the ice cream. It's done with the flour. I like it. So my mom's gonna help me with some trouble. So let's start with the flour. Oh, I like it. Get me the flour. I will use the flour. I will use the flour. Orange. I'm gonna try to do it. This is my first time, so I don't know if it's gonna be good or not.
So what are you doing?
I'm trying to fill it up.
Or to fill all the cream into the cookies?
Yep.
Okay.
Why is it so hard?
Is it?
Yes.
Is it hard?
Yep.
But you look doing good. Let's see what is mommy doing here. Is a seahorse with the green color.
Mommy, are you serious? Why is the seahorse green?
You can make it any color you want.
I got orange. I want to put something in the middle.
Okay, so this is your first color, and then which color you want to put?
Give me the yellow.
Yellow. Okay, you can try yellow.
I'm gonna put a like a circle in the center.
Okay, it's kind of competition. Looks how is your cookies prettier than your mommy, or
Why is it so hard?
I'm finished mine.
I'm not finished yet. I want to put the circle. Okay. So this is the first one. I will do this.
that's all? Only this?
Yeah, but there's more. I have another cookie which is
What is
nice
your foot
pink.
strip?
Because I don't know how to do this, so I have another one at least. I have a cookie which is like an ice cream. I'm gonna make it. So I need to Ooh, God. Ooh.
I think you have to use the green color on top.
I will use white. First, I will use this.
Why you have to use white? You try green. Oh, okay. Okay.
Line. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, good.
No. Up here, we're going to color light green. It looks like a melon.
is it?
Harder than I thought.
Harder than you thought? Really?
Yeah.
But mommy looks make it very easy.
This looks like a cone over here.
You only have to be patient.
He's sticky. Guys, I am already done with my ice cream. Take a look. Mommy's doing the sea creature, so I do this. I'm like almost done on it. I'm trying to do the dolphin first. I'm trying to do the dolphin. Right? I'm gonna do I have unlocked this dolphin now. We're going to decorate it. I'm gonna use yeah, no. It's very hot. Why is mommy first like white and orange? So guys, we finally finished! Yay! You may take a look of the cookies we decorate. And it is pretty chocolate colors and cookies. Oh, by the way, like and subscribe for more epic videos, okay? Bye!